Hello everyone, it's time to take the textual part of a poem from our literature reader New Broadway. In this video, we'll cover the textual part of poem Tiger by Leslie Norris. Question number 1 from the part Understand Where is the tiger? Which phrase in stanza 1 tells you that the tiger is very angry? The answer is the tiger is in concrete cage in the zoo or circus. The line which tells us that he is angry is in his quiet rage. Question number 2. How does the poet suggest that the tiger's movement is severely limited? Which phrase in stanza 4 does he use to refer to the tiger's cage? The answer is the poet suggests that tiger's movement is severely restricted by saying that the tiger paces up and down the few steps of his cage. He also refers to the tiger's cage as a concrete cell. The cage in which the tiger was trapped was very small, and as tiger needs lots of space to walk on, that's why the cage is suggested as or referred as a concrete cell. Question number 3. What is the significance of should be in the expression should be lurking and should be snarling? Lurking means lying hidden, and snarling is an aggressive sound made by the tiger. So the answer is the poet means that the nature had intended that the tiger should be living in the jungle and be doing all the things suggested in stanza 2 and 3. But instead the tiger is locked behind the bars of a small cage. So according to the poet and nature, the tiger should be in jungle, but right now he was behind the bars means inside the cage. Question number 4. Why should the tiger be hiding near the water hole? Is there a reason why the deer are described as plump? Answer is the tiger would hide near a water hole because that would be the place where animals come to drink water, and he would be able to catch one of his meal. The deer is described as plump because it would make a good meal for the tiger. Plump means fleshy, okay, full of flesh. So if the tiger would have been in jungle, though there he can easily find its meal because the other animals like deer also resides there. Question number 5. The tiger is an enormously strong animal. Can he use his strength in the cage? Why not? The answer is no. The steel bars prevent the tiger from coming out or running and moving freely, and hence the tiger cannot use its strength. Question number 6 from the part info. Why do you think the tiger ignores visitors? The tiger ignores the visitors because it cannot do anything that it might want to, and because they only treat him as a strange spectacle. Spectacle is called audience or the person before you. So the tiger is not able to do the activities that it wanted to do. That's why it was not interested to look towards the visitors. Question number 7. Think of 5 words to describe the tiger in captivity and another 5 words to describe the tiger in the wild. Captivity means a condition in which you are captured. So in captivity, the tiger is angry, helpless, restless, frustrated, and sullen. And in the wild, the tiger is wild, strong, alert, happy, and free. Question number 8 from the part Appreciate and stares with his brilliant eyes at the brilliant stars, stanza 5. These lines suggest a contrast between the dash and dash. We have to fill in the blanks. And in first dash, it will come eyes of the stars, and in second blank, it will come the star shining at night. So trapping in the cage, the tiger is looking towards the stars in the sky and thinks that how freely they are moving in their space, means in their sky, and it is caged here in the concrete cell. So both the tiger's eyes and his stars were shining at night. Question number 9. The term quiet rage used two words that have opposite meaning. Other examples, such expressions would be open secret, original copy, larger half, etc. Think of two more such expression. Here in this question, two words are given, quiet and rage. Quiet means peace and rage means anger, and in the meaning, they both words are opposite. And other example like open secret, they are opposite with each other. Original copy, the meaning of these words are opposite with each other, as well as larger half. So all these phrases of the words having opposite meaning with their each other, we have to tell two more example like this. So the answer is cruel kindness and living death are two other example, where cruel kindness are opposite in meaning and living death are absolutely contrast in their meaning. Question number 1 from the part extension. It is for the wild animal's own good that we hold it captive in a zoo. Write down 3 reasons why you agree or disagree with this statement. In the question it is asked that if we captured wild animal in the zoo, then it is good for them. Are you agree with this statement? So in answer I am giving you the answer according to me. I disagree with this statement because animals are upset and depressed in captivity. Next is animals need free spaces to roam around and enjoy their life. And next is in captivity animals become specimens for people to look at. They can develop many complexes from being restricted to one space. So we should not capture any wild animals in circus or in zoo. We have to let them freely roam around in their space, means in the forest. Question number 2 from the part extension. Read the names of the animals listed below. What would these animals say if they were caged? Answer is first animal is polar bear. So if we caged polar bear, so it will say there is not enough ice and snow here because we cannot provide them the snowy environment where they need to live. Next is gorilla, and gorilla will say, I wish I could swing from branches of a tree, because if you caged a gorilla, you cannot provide them a forest kind of atmosphere because they need to swing from one tree to another tree, and in cage we cannot provide them with this facility. So this was the last question of this poem. That's it for now. I'll see you in next video.